Java.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have around 12 years of
Hmm. It is in Hyderabad only.
Oh, yeah, Hyderabad only.
Okay. So, do you have any idea about the Playwright tool?
Yeah, I have some idea like it works on Python, JavaScript, and TypeScript. Yeah,
Hmm.
it's a Microsoft tool. Yeah.
Yes. So, in Selenium, which framework you are using? Your company?
So we were using actually Serenity based framework for UI automation for web
Okay.
as well as for mobile site. Yeah,
Hmm.
and with Cucumber.
Okay. So, generally, most of students who are going to join when new tool is introduced, they have the some doubts on the Playwright tool. So, based on the students who want to learn the Playwright, what are the basic doubts they have? Based on that, I prepared the checklist with the explanation about the Playwright.
Okay.
The first basic question is going to be the like this, why we should learn again one more tool. Already we are working with the Selenium. Or someone is going to work on the Tosca. Some other can work on the EFT tool. Now, again, why we have to go for this tool? There are certain advantages we have when you go for the Playwright compared to the any other automation tool in the market. The first thing here, the advantage point of view, the Playwright is a built-in for modern web applications. Modern applications means single page applications. The single page applications means here not application entire one page. So in a page where certain portion of the page only we can able to refresh it is. Further, where they are going to use the technologies such as React, Angular, Vue, these are the technologies where they are going to use. These are the technologies where we can able to automate using the Playwright. That means the Playwright was designed for this from the day one for this type of application to automate, while Selenium was originally built for older, simpler web pages to automate. When you go for the Selenium, if the application taking some delay, suppose element is not available, or to load the page, it may taking some time, your Selenium is not going to wait. So unless it's going to say the test is failed, test is failed. This we can overcome with help of the Playwright. No more flakiness. That means auto wait feature is available in the Playwright. Compared to the Selenium, we can go for the less coding in this Playwright. Faster in execution. Execution speed also fast. Once you develop the script, you can run anywhere. That means you can able to execute that script on any browser it is. Any browser it is. You can execute. And the Playwright able to install the required browsers during the Playwright installation time. During the Playwright installation time. So where we can able to execute our automation test script with a headed browser as well as headless browser. We can able to execute. We can able to execute. Headed browser, headless browser also. Now, strong support for API testing. Whereas Playwright will support the API testing also, and mobile web-based applications we can able to automate. These things which are not there in the Selenium, right? That is the why we have to go for the Playwright. Means majority of the companies nowadays, modern web applications they are going to develop those things you want to automate. It is the best suits. The one concept. The second thing, if I go for the Playwright, you may hear about the Playwright will support the different languages to develop the automation test scripts such as Selenium. How it going to support the multiple languages? But which language we have to go? Why this only? The why Playwright plus JavaScript or TypeScript is more popular. This combination compared to the Python. So I know the Python. I know the C sharp. Can I go for this? Miss go. But more demanding combination in the market will be Playwright with JavaScript because initially when they developed Playwright, the initial thought for them to use the JavaScript. Based on they created the best library. So whereas other languages also we have, but first priority will be Playwright will support clearly JavaScript libraries to automate your project. But other languages such as Java, Python, C sharp, if we go, these all comes under only so wrapper languages, extension languages. So if I have the knowledge on Selenium, I have the knowledge on EFT. So do you think still I need to learn the Playwright tool or not? Definitely, it is important thing. You need to update as per the market demand. In present scenario, if you go for the generally the demand how it is going to be gets in the India market based on the abroad how they are going to use the tools. If you go for the UK, most of the companies, 90% of the companies automation means they are asking Playwright. Now here they started nowadays. So 50% of companies in India also listing the Playwright resource required. So this is a high demanding tool, faster growing automation tool in many IT companies. Then when this Playwright came into the market, is it came 1 year back, 2 years back? No, not 1 year back, 2 years back. It was introduced in the market in 2020 itself. They introduced in the market. 2020 itself, they introduced in the market. It is not the new tool. So Playwright was first released in the market on January 31st, 2020 by Microsoft as an open source browser automation testing framework. How do I show experience if I learn the Playwright now? How do I show the experience? The experience you can show 1.5 to 2 plus years of experience. So that is a reliable thing. You can't go for the more than that. On particularly Playwright tool, I'm saying it is. Now, sir, if I go for Selenium, we have the different kind of frameworks are there. So what are the different kind of frameworks are available in the Playwright also? Yes. There's a built-in framework called Playwright Test. A test framework. Playwright with Page Object Model Framework. Playwright with Cucumber, BDD, Behavior Driven Development. Playwright with Jest. Playwright with Mocha, Hybrid Framework. So that different kind of frameworks are given along with the Playwright. But most of the cases, Playwright with Page Object Model is the more popular. But default built-in one is Playwright Test. It is these two. And combination can be there, hybrid framework. These are the things only. So will be used in the organization level. Okay, this is all about the Playwright, right? Bharadwaj, do you have any other doubts? So in this course, we are going to discuss about the Playwright and JavaScript. The first we are going to discuss about the JavaScript concepts. After JavaScript concepts explanation is completed, then we are going to start the Playwright concepts. Here, so JavaScript around we are going to discuss 15 days of time. There is Playwright we are going to discuss around the 20 days. So total the duration of the course will be 35 days. Every day class will be 1 hour it is 6:30 to 7:30. So this week, next week onwards we'll have the 7:30 to 8:30. That is the regular session class is going to be. 6:30, 7:30 to 8:30 regular class is going to. But tomorrow, as usual, same time we have the class it is. Class notes will be given to you. Whatever concepts I explain the class, the corresponding notes I will going to share with you. At the beginning of the tool, we are going to discuss how to set up the environment in our system so that better practicing. How much difficult it is. If you are have experience on Tosca, definitely it makes it a bit difficult to work on the Playwright. If you have the knowledge or work experience on the Selenium, now Playwright is going to more easier because in Selenium on the Playwright you must write the script manually. Whereas in Tosca, no need to write the script manually. That is the reason. Right. The classes recording sessions also will be shared with you. Okay. Yeah. Tell me
Yeah.
if you have any doubts. So
Yeah. Like, so I have just a couple of questions. So, are we covering anything related to AI or MCP plugins, which are also like uh, being asked in some of the interviews and all?
so AI Selenium, so Playwright with AI is not going to be discussed. No, that is not possible here. The training point of view. So
Okay. So, like, it is
because we have
mostly
to
being used.
tell me.
Sorry for the interruption. You can proceed. I'll ask later. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, well, played with A is not covered. A part is not covered here. The commercial one we have to buy. That's the problem. Okay. Next, you ask about something.
Yeah, like MCP plugins also like I'm hearing at like a few places. So are you covering anything related to that?
MCP plugins, I will check my it is, but I not at use that one. But I will try to cover that portion it is.
Okay. So like mostly this Playwright is being used with the JavaScript or TypeScript.
JavaScript is preferred, but instead of that Playwright, TypeScript is nothing but a little bit similar to the JavaScript, only strictly typed language it is.
Okay.
Data type language are going to call. That is the only difference we have.
Okay.
Abhishek, so
Yes, yes, mother.
yesterday you attended, no? This session you attended, introduction session, right?
No, I am joining. I first time only, so I have few doubt actually.
Nah,
Related
tell
to,
me.
I think someone asked a related question to MCP server, right? So I have a similar question like, do we cover the any generative AI related things, configuration or MCP server as well in this course or not?
So it is not covered actually, but as per the demand, I will go for that portion will be covered. NCP server configuration will be explained.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
So MCP plugin is not the part of the course, but I will cover that portion also.
Okay,
But
and
only with the
what
AI,
about
AI is not possible. Not possible with the AI.
okay, 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 that's it.
So like you were telling something related to timing also. Like today it is 6:30 to 7:30 and
This week we go for the 6:30 to 7:30, but Monday onwards the classes are going to be 7:30 to 8:30.
okay.
Okay. So okay, Bharadwaj, that is the session for us. Actually 1 hour, but demo session we're going to take just introduction I given. So if you're interested, tomorrow we'll go for the subject we are going to start now. First we go for the JavaScript. Then I'll go and explain about the HTML also. Then we go for the Playwright concepts. Okay.
Okay, sure, Madhu. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay.